Hello, and welcome to Module 2.3 on asking questions. If you're going through this training guide independently, make sure to open up the training guide link to Module 2.3. Shall we? Remember that only a happy parrot talks regularly. The O was for observe. The A is for ask. You might have noticed in the last module when you were using your observing skills that you might naturally start to have questions about why something is happening the way it is or how to make improvements. For example, if you notice a child yelling in the grocery store to get candy, you might ask yourself, do children usually get upset at the grocery store? What are the things their caregiver is doing to help that child calm down? What are the things that the store worker is doing to be helpful? How could this behavior be prevented in the future for this child and for other children? Another example could be that when you are receiving care, you might ask, why are doctors always running late? What was the doctor hoping would happen by saying that thing that hurt or bothered me? What happens to people if they are told they can no longer receive mental health services because they were late for their appointment? How could the clinic reduce barriers to receiving services? What are some questions you have about the world around you? If you are following along independently in your Module 2.3 training guide link, make sure to use the guide to record your answer. Please pause the video now while you record your responses. Research questions help us understand the way things work for a group of people who might have some shared experience, rather than just one person. For this work, we are asking questions that are specific to pregnant, postpartum, and parenting people with substance use disorders. However, there are also unique subgroups within this larger group. For example, we might want to think about how to improve things for fathers, people who have young children, people who have experienced pregnancy and infant loss, or people who receive harm reduction services. When you think about experiences you've had, which parts of those experiences do you have in common with others, and which parts do you feel are unique to you? And how might other people have had different, unique experiences? If you are following along independently in your Module 2.3 training guide link, make sure to use the guide to record your answer. Please pause the video while you record your responses. Thank you for completing Module 2.3. If you are following along independently, make sure that when you complete the questions in this module, to let your coordinator know you are finished.